Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Software development is a huge and growing industry, worth nearly $500 billion in the US alone. If you're joining the industry and starting your own software development business, you'll want to get off to a good start by properly setting up your business entity. A limited liability company, LLC, is a common choice for startup founders because of the personal liability protection and pass-through taxation that it offers, as well as management flexibility. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Starting a limited liability company, LLC, for your software development business can provide several benefits. Most importantly, an LLC structure offers limited liability to its owners, which can protect their personal assets from lawsuits and creditors. For a software development business, lawsuits can arise from things like breach of contract, for example, after being unable to deliver a completed app to a customer on time, or the release of clients' personal info in the event of a security breach. LLCs are also affordable, highly flexible, from a tax point of view, and can make your software development business seem more credible. Now, you be thinking, do I need an LLC for a software development business? LLCs are a simple and inexpensive way to protect your personal assets and save money on taxes. You should start an LLC when there's any risk involved in your business or when your business could benefit from tax options and increased credibility. Let's understand LLC benefits for a software development business. By starting an LLC for your software development business, you can protect your savings, car, and house with limited liability protection. Have more tax benefits and options. Increase your business's credibility. First, let's talk about limited liability protection. LLCs provide limited liability protection. This means your personal assets, such as car, house, bank account, are protected in the event your business is sued or if it defaults on a debt. Software development businesses will benefit from liability protection because of the risk of product liability, intellectual property claims, and financial data breaches. For example, you hire a freelance software developer to create a custom app for your business. However, the developer fails to deliver on time and you lose customers who wanted access to the app before their competitors. As a result, you are sued by one of your clients for breach of contract and financial losses. With limited liability protection in place, only your business assets will be at risk, protecting your personal assets from any potential legal damages. Another example, you store customer data and intellectual property on your company's servers. A security breach occurs due to a software malfunction, jeopardizing the safety of this information. As a result, you may be held liable for any financial losses or legal penalties incurred by affected customers as a result of the data breach. With limited liability protection, your personal assets will be protected from any such costs or penalties. For example, you work with a team of software developers to build new applications or update existing software. During this process, one of your employees makes an error and slows down the development timeline. As a result, you miss critical deadlines and lose business to competitors. With limited liability protection in place, you can rest assured that your personal assets will be protected if you are sued for damages. An LLC will also protect your personal assets in the event of commercial bankruptcy or loan default. Now, let's walk you through the LLC tax benefits and options for a software development business. LLCs, by default, are taxed as a pass-through entity, just like a sole proprietorship or partnership. This means that the business's net income passes through to the owner's individual tax return. The business's net income is then subject to income taxes, based on the owner's tax bracket, and self-employment taxes. There is also S-Corp option for LLCs. An S-Corporation, S-Corporate, is an IRS tax status that an LLC can elect. S-Corp status allows business owners to be treated as employees of the business for tax purposes. The S-Corp status requires that the business pay the employees and owners a reasonable salary for the work they perform. In addition, the business might need to spend more on accounting, bookkeeping, and payroll services. To offset these costs, you'd need to be saving about $2,000 a year on taxes. We estimate that if a software development business owner can pay themselves a reasonable salary and at least $10,000 in distributions each year, they could benefit from S-Corp status. LLC benefits for credibility and consumer trust. Software development businesses rely on consumer trust. Credibility plays a key role in creating and maintaining any business. Businesses gain consumer trust simply by forming an LLC. A growing business can also benefit from the credibility of an LLC when applying for small business loans, grants, and credit. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow notary agents, and subscribe for more insider tips. And hey, drop a comment below with any questions or if there's a topic you want me to cover next. Let's create a community of notary professionals who help each other grow.